Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 1 to 7, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makakapag-book. Okay, so let's see Scorpio. Weekly energies for you. Okay, step out of your comfort zone. Ayan o, aalis na raw kayo sa inyong comfort zone. And you are going to follow your destiny with the North Node here. Because North Node is your destiny, your life's purpose. A time for healing. Iba sa inyo, you are healing from a painful situation in the past. Romantic man yan, or connection with your friends, family. And pwede rin tong physical healing. Okay? You also have, may good luck sa inyo. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So, I think, ito, whatever this is na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay mo, maaring meron ka na-realize na, gusto ko tong subukan, gusto ko tong i-explore. Can be a career, a business, or even relationships, na hindi mo pa na-try before. So, ngayon, you are stepping out of your comfort zone. And merong swerte dyan, sa mga susubukan mo. As long as you are open for healing, yung mga past trauma mo, yan, na-address mo, na hilom na, yung mga past issues. Let's see your overall energy ng mga Scorpio. Two of Swords. You have a major decision to make. You have the Emperor, so Aries energy. Maaring ito na yung pag-alis mo sa comfort zone mo. Na may i-explore ka. You are planning for, parang you are stepping up, Gusto mong i-upskill, i-improve ang iyong situation ngayon, living situation, career, lifestyle mo. Especially in your finances, With the Emperor here, this is about someone na may empire, meron siyang pwedeng leadership role sa inyo. Maaring meron kayong susubukang opportunity na maaring magtataas ng inyong level, Pwedeng sa trabaho 'yan or sa business. And malakas naman yung loob mo, with the Emperor here. Ready to fight ka. Oo. So, your challenge is the Magician. I think, yung iba sa inyo, sinesecond guess niya yung inyong kakayanan. Yung iniisip nyo, kaya ko ba to? Sapat ba ang aking kaalaman? So, yung kaalaman kasi, napag-aaralan naman yan, di ba? Ang importante rito is yung puso mo, yung courage mo, yung lakas ng loob mo, na i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto mo. So, maaring mangangailangan ka ng tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration, ng motivation. Oo, parang teacher, ganyan. Yan yung energy ng Hierophant. So, let's see your opportunity. You have the 6 of Cups and the 7 of Wands. I think ito yung pangarap mo, nung bata ka. Poproteksyonan mo. Kasi pwedeng dati, may nang-agaw ng pangarap mo. So, when I say may nang-agaw, hindi naman literal na, akin na yung pangarap mo, akin na yan. Hindi ganun. Yung tipong, may nang-discourage sa'yo, pinahina yung loob mo na hindi mo yun kayang gawin. Kaya tinalikuran mo yung pangarap mo na yun. At sa iba ka nag-focus. So, ngayon, may opportunity ka ngayon na ilaban yung iyong pangarap. Ilaban mo yan kasi malaki yung potential niyan para sa'yo na mas maging successful. Childhood dream mo yan eh. So, your blessing. Wow! Ang ganda ng blessing nyo, Scorpio. You have the Wheel of Fortune. So, Things are moving fast para sa inyo. Maraming opportunities na darating. Marami kang ma-accomplish ngayong week na to. Mga responsibilities na kailangan mong maayos. And with the Chariot here, this is about success, focusing on your dreams, your goals. You're on the right path. Okay, Scorpio, kaya nga you are stepping out of your comfort zone and focusing on your life's purpose. Yung iba sa inyo, na-realize nyo na kung ano yung life's purpose nyo. Kaya ngayon, it's about exploring ano yung life's purpose nyo na yun. Na hindi naman yan titigil lang dyan. There's always a other way to improve yourself, to learn more. Yung iba sa inyo, ang may blessing ng sasakyan. Kahit anong sasakyan, kahit e-bike pa yan, so blessing pa rin yan, 'di ba? So, I feel like you are moving to the right direction. You will mararamdaman mo naman yan kapag nasa tamang direction ka kasi everything is flowing smoothly. May challenges man, nagagawan mo naman agad ng paraan. 'Di ba? Outlier, you are about to change how the games are played. You are unstoppable. Unstoppable ka kasi dire-diretso. You are creating your own opportunity. So, ikaw raw mismo ang gumagawa ng opportunity for you. Yung iba sa inyo, gustong mag-online selling or pwedeng yan na yung current career nyo ngayon, business ninyo. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang yan. Mas palawakin nyo pa. Keep yourself determined. Ano ba yung mga reasons kaya bumabangon ka sa umaga? Para kanino ka bumabangon, no? So, kailangan mas maging consistent ka. Always show up for your dreams para yun yung makuha mo, 'di ba? Ma-achieve mo siya. Ace of Pentacles, new opportunities. You have the Five of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So, I see you na meron kang magagawang solusyon sa isang financial problem mo or financial problem ng family mo. Kung ikaw naman ay may sariling financial problem, maaring merong tutulong sa'yo, like a family member, or kung family member mo merong financial issues, ikaw ay makakatulong sa kanila. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Yung iba merong business na papasukin. Pwedeng investment to na hindi mo naman mamadaliin yung nito. Parang kumbaga, let's say investment sa stock market or sa real estate or sa lupa, no? Meron kang let's say agriculture, magtatanim ka dyan, may farm. Oo. So, importante is meron kang nagawa, nasimulan mo, nakapagtanim ka para meron kang aanihin, no? In the future. So, I see you na merong mga solusyon sa mga financial challenges mo ngayong week na to. Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga Scorpio. How's the love life? My true love. You are healing. Ang daming may new love ngayon. Oo, kasi merong eclipse in Libra or hindi na kasi ako updated ngayon sa astrology, but yeah, there's a new opportunity for love para sa inyo. Lalo na kapag nakapag-heal na kayo or na-release nyo na yung pain from your past, yung energy from your past, naka-move on na kayo. So, love is coming to you. Wow, Four of Wands. This is a serious relationship, no? Para sa iba sa inyo, Scorpio, na pwedeng mag-lead sa marriage or very stable relationship na kung saan maninindigan kayo para sa isa't isa. Oo, you will be able to take care of yourself, your family. Some of you, earth signs ang inyong person, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or Aquarius. With the full card here, yung iba pwedeng like what I mentioned kanina, no, stepping out of your comfort zone, pwedeng yung ang tawag nito, di ba meron tayong ideals, no? Yan yung ating standard sa relationship. Ngayon, pwedeng may magbabago sa standards mo, may susubukan kang bagong type of person pagdating sa relationship. Kung dati gusto mo mahiyain. So ngayon, mas gusto mo na yung medyo upfront, no? Outgoing. Ayan. So those are the changes na pwedeng mangyari sa'yo sa iyong relationship if you're single. Pero kung if you are in a relationship right now, I see you na taking care of your family. Your family's needs. You will be there for them. Kung in a relationship ka like boyfriend, girlfriend, yung iba sa inyo nagpaplano na kayong magpakasal, mag-settle down. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!